guys. All right. Hey guys, welcome to my show. All right. Thank you very much. All right, to watch my show. All right. Today I'm gonna make delicious recipe. All right. Look my table. How beautiful it looks. Wow, colorful and busy. All right. That's what I like to see my table. All right. Today, guys, I'm gonna make, guess what? Paella from Spain. All right, guys, it's gonna taste good. All right, I'm gonna tell exactly what I have here. All right, I have here 1 pound of clams. I have 1 pound of black mussels. I have 1 pound of shrimp. 1 pound of chourizo. All right. This is for the chourizo, for the seafood, and for the chicken, right? Plus, I have 8 cloves of garlic. I have 1 large onion. I have half stick of butter. 1 teaspoon of paprika. 1 teaspoon of salt. I have half lemon. Also, I have a 1/4 cup of olive oil to bring the flavor together, guys. All right. Also, I have 5 chicken thighs. I have I have 1/2 cup of white wine. Also, I have 1 cup of chicken stock. Also, I have 2 bay leaves. All right. Now, let's go for the rice. All right. For the rice, I have 8 cloves of garlic. You guys know I love garlic. All right. I love it. And also, I have 6 cups of rice, white rice. All right. Also, I have 3 packages of Sazon. I have 9 cups of water. I have 1 cup of, I have 1 cup of chicken broth. I have 2 cups of the vegetable broth. All right, guys. Also, I have 1 red pepper, finely chopped. I also have 1 tablespoon of salt. I have 2 tablespoons of paprika. I have 1 teaspoon of black pepper. If you guys don't like black pepper, don't use. All right. Also, I have 2 tomatoes, finely chopped. All right. I have 1 onion, 1 teaspoon of hot sauce. If you guys don't like hot sauce, don't use, guys. Also, I have 1/4 cup of olive oil. All right. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. It's gonna taste good. It's gonna taste good. All right, guys. You want to cook with me? All right, guys. But don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. All right, let's go. All right, guys. I have my pan here, like that. First, I'm gonna use my olive oil. All right. Very good. Right? So after that, I'm gonna use my garlic, right? Right now I'm doing my shells, right? My chourizo and my chicken. Very good. It's looking good. Stir a little bit. All right? So I'm gonna let this cook a little bit, all right, to get halfway brown, and I'll be right back. All right, welcome back. All right, my garlic is ready for my next step. All right, so my next step is gonna be my onions. It's looking good, and it smells good. So I'm going to stir a little bit. All right, let's cook this onion. All right, I'll be right back. All right, my onions is ready for the next step. All right, my next step, I'm gonna get my chicken thighs. All right, let's cook these babies. All right, and I'll be right back. All right, now my chicken is more than halfway cooked. All right, now I'm ready for my next step. All right, my next step, I'm gonna use my chorizos. All right, so let's cook these chorizos. Plus, I'm gonna put here my paprika. Very good. Right, let me stir this a little bit. It's looking good. The colors and the flavor comes together. All right, guys, but don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. All right, let's go. All right, so let me cook this. All right, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, my chorizos is cooked. All right, now I'm ready for the next step. Okay, I have been cooking this for medium high. All right, so you guys can start to do the chicken high. All right, high flame, and after that you can go medium high. All right, so now I'm ready for my next step. All right, my next step is gonna be my butter. Very good. All right, mix it up a little bit. All right, you can bring here the camera so you guys can see how beautiful it looks. That's when the colors and the flavor comes together, guys. All right, very good. All right, my next step now, it's gonna be my bay leaves. Very good. Mix it up a little bit. So to bring the flavor together. All right, it's a little bit in the bottom, you can just scrape, right? And it's good. All right, so my next step now, it's gonna be my wine. Very good. My chicken stock. Very good. And my lemon. Very good. So now we're gonna cook this, okay? So we're gonna observe the water. All right? So I will be back very shortly, all right? All right, guys, welcome back. All right, I'm reducing my chicken broth, all right? So now I'm ready for my rice, all right, guys? The rice, like if you want to do a rice, all right? If you put 4 cups of rice, you have to add 8 cups of water, all right? So that's how you do the rice. So now I'm ready for my olive oil. All right, very good. So next step is going to be my garlic. Very good. All right, I'm going to stir a little bit. My next step, it's going to be my onions. After that, it's gonna be my red pepper. All right, my red pepper. Very good. You can see when that's when the colors and the flavor comes together, guys. All right, very good. All right, so after that, let's cook that. All right, let's cook my red peppers and my onions, and I will be right back. All right, guys, my pepper is ready for the next step. All right, my next step is gonna be my tomatoes. Very good. All right, next step is gonna be my salt. Also, if you need more salt, you can just add it. All right? You can try the salt when you put all the water there, and you can try this salt. All right? So my next step now is gonna be my black pepper and my paprika. Very good. All right, let's cook this. All right, these tomatoes. Let's cook the tomatoes for about 2 minutes, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, welcome back. My tomatoes is ready. All right, so my next step. It's gonna be my hot sauce. Good. My Sazon. All right, very good. Very good. Cabbage, stir a little bit. Very good. All right, my next step now, it's gonna be my rice. Very good. Now you stir. You can take a look at the camera here. When the colors and the flavor comes together, guys. All right. So I'm gonna saute now this rice. All right, a little bit for 5 minutes. All right, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, my rice is lightly cooked. All right, so but we have to keep stirred, right? Keep it stirred. All right. So now do they stick together? You don't want that, right? So now I'm ready for my next step. My next step, vegetable broth, all right? Very good. After that, it's gonna be my chicken broth, all right? Very good. Now you want to stir, oops. All right. Stir. Now it's time for the water. All right. Good. Right, and cook this for a little bit. All right, and I'll be right back. Welcome back, guys. Now you can take a look. The water has been observed, and my water now, my sauce here is thick. Right, you guys can see it's thick. All right, so now it's ready for my next step. My next step is gonna be my shrimp. So I have been washing all these shells in the shrimp. Right? So this is my clams. Very good. And this is my black mussels. Very good. So what you do is stir this. So all this sauce penetrate in the shell and the shrimp. Right? Very good. Let's cook this. But don't forget to stir. Okay, I'm going to store this later again. Right now I'm gonna let it cook. All right, so I'm gonna cover this, and I see you guys in a little bit. Hey guys, all right, time to check. All right, this has been cooked for 2 hours. All right, so time to check. Excuse me for 1 second. All right, very good. Wow, look how beautiful. All the water has been absorbed. You can see, you guys can see that. All right, so this must taste very, very good. This must taste delicious, delicious, delicious. And the smell going all over my kitchen. All right, guys? But don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. All right, so now I'm gonna check my rice. All right? Very good. All right, that's how it's supposed to be, guys. Very good. All right, it's looking good. All right, very good. Looking good. Oops, sorry. All right, guys, this is almost ready. All right, I'm gonna let these babies cook for 2 more minutes. All right, and I'll be right back. Hey, guys, all right, very good. Woo! All right, guys. Final product, right? I'm gonna show you. All right, look how beautiful it looks. Wow, very good, guys. Smell all over my kitchen. All right, take your time. All right, it's gonna come up good. All right, guys, but don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. All right, guys, I'm gonna tell you exactly how this tastes. All right, so. This looks good. This looks very good, guys. All right. Very good. I'm hungry. All right. Very good. A piece of chicken. All right, let you know. The rice is, it's very, very, they stick a little bit together, right? Not much, just enough. Wow. Guys, this tastes very good, right? Very good. My chorizos. This is melting all over my mouth, guys. Wow, very good, guys. All right, guys, you guys have to try this recipe. All right, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. All right, I'm sure you're gonna be happy today and forever. All right, so cheers.